Ever considered making money online? Want to know the difference between passive and active income? There's more than one way that you can earn that little bit of extra pocket money each month. Welcome to Mindnificent. In today's video, we're focusing on how to set up passive income streams that make money while you sleep. Click that subscription button if you want to be smarter with money and learn all the things about getting rich. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Economics isn't everyone's strongest suit, and we get that. So let's get this whole passive versus active income thing out the way first. Essentially, you're paid active income whenever you perform a service for money. Think of the wage or salary you get for working a regular 9-to-5 job. The only problem here is that you have to actually work. Duh. Passive income is a completely different kettle of fish. After an initial period of time and work to set up, this revenue stream should in theory keep making you money with little to no upkeep on your end. Think stock appreciation, interest from term bank deposits, superannuation, that kind of thing. But as you can guess, these things all take time to gain value. We want that cash now. Number 1. Broadcast yourself. YouTube is a gold mine. Don't believe what you've heard. There is still plenty of hills for you to mine and make your fortune. Start off by creating quality content that follows a similar theme, or that focuses on a particular as yet untapped niche of viewers. The idea is that after the initial time and effort creating your content, each video accumulates views for life. Views that translate into a commission you get paid by the YouTube advertisement scheme. On average, you'd expect to earn around $3 per 1,000 views, but this number can quintuple in value if you opt for targeted ads to suit your audience. The other way to make money here is to use your channel as a springboard for other side hustles. Things like affiliate links for any equipment you feature in the content, because if you're recommending it, you may as well get paid. You can go even further, creating online courses, ebooks, and other digital content that gets traffic as a result of your channel. But more on that later. Number 2. Influencer marketing. Do you have an Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok account? How many subs and followers do you have? Here is where popularity can pay. You can make an income by promoting an affiliate product through your personal sponsored posts. The question is, how many followers do you need to be a successful influencer? The answer, which may surprise you, is not as many as you think. When we talk about making money on Instagram, for instance, you can be considered a nano-influencer if you have anywhere between 1,000 to 5,000 followers. That doesn't sound so impossible, right? But it isn't just about numbers. Your followers need to be engaged in your posts, and your account should have reach. It doesn't matter if you have 100,000 followers if they are not looking at your posts. This could turn your humble social media account into a veritable gold mine. If you think that you have potential to be an Instagram influencer, you can check out websites that calculate how much money your Instagram account would generate if you were to consider becoming an influencer. Number 3. Cryptocurrency staking. Now, cryptocurrency trading is a very new and very scary industry for the uninitiated. But with the rise of second and third generation blockchain platforms, new mechanisms exist to earn crypto rewards just for owning specific currencies. Similar to putting your money in a bank and earning interest, staking involves allocating your portfolio to a pool for a short defined period, often just a few days, to support the network. Rewards are paid after this period, and the process is repeated. On average, stakers can expect approximately 5% PA paid in the cryptocurrency they staked in. Cryptos that offer this option include Ethereum 2.0, Algorand, and Cardano. Number 4. What do you know? Think about something you are knowledgeable about, or that your friends and family continuously ask you to teach them about. Odds are that there are other people who are looking to upskill in your particular area of expertise, and who will pay you to learn. Start by creating a short course based on your know-how, because this is the first step in quantifying your unique skill set as a resource to generate the passive income you crave. Using an example, say you're a fisherman. Not only that, you're so good it's like you talk them into your catch bag. You know exactly which rods, reels, and line to buy, the lures and bait to use, and where to fish. People will pay good money to fast-track their quest to landing that fish of a lifetime. Just like YouTube, once you spend the effort to put together your knowledge in an appealing and easy-to-understand way, that's it. It will keep making money over time as people continue to purchase that course. Number 5. What do you recommend? We already hinted at it earlier, but there is some fat cash to be made by recommending products, so long as you're using affiliate links to get paid to do it. After all, you're doing it for free anyways, so why not earn a few bucks? Amazon Associates is perhaps the biggest affiliate marketing scheme online today, so it's definitely worth signing up. The beauty is that you're given your own unique links to products that you can pop into those YouTube descriptions that do two things. Firstly, should a viewer click your link and decide to buy that product, Amazon gives you a share of the sales price as a commission, a thank you for helping them make that sale. Depending on the product, you'll get between 1% and 10% of the final sale price, which isn't bad for doing absolutely nothing. But it gets better. If that same customer makes any other purchase during the next 24-hour period or places an item in their cart during that time and pays for it within the next 89 days, you'll also get a commission on that too, even if it has nothing at all to do with your initial product that was linked. Going back to that fishing example, the game plan would be to link every single piece of equipment featured during your YouTube video in the descriptions, so the viewer has an easy resource to go buy items you've recommended. Number 6. Build an app. So this idea can be a little daunting, but you don't necessarily have to be a mobile coder or software developer to pull it off. In fact, if you have a cell phone, you're basically already dealing in UX. Let me explain. The best apps weren't invented by tech gurus. They were thought up by an average person who discovered a gap in the market. An everyday person who noticed that there was a whole untapped gaming niche or a whole user base screaming out for automation and decided to do something about it. They saw things from a user perspective and designed how the app should look and function as opposed to writing the code underneath. So, once you have this game-changing app idea, you need to employ the know-how to build it. Freelance boards are full of hungry developers who can quote you to build your app from the ground up. From there, it's a matter of getting it approved by the various app stores, and you're in business. And when I say business, I mean it's literally set and forget. The work has been done, and after App Store commissions, every cent of every app download will end up in your pocket. Remember the game Angry Birds? At its peak, the app owner was making up to $50,000 a day in advertising and in-app purchases, all while he studied for exams. Number 7. Print on demand. Print on demand is a similar business model to drop shipping, but with a twist. You start off by creating your own online e-commerce store through Shopify or similar, and then you find a print-on-demand supplier. Print-on-demand suppliers sell a vast array of blank products such as t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, pillowcases, wall art, baseball caps, and many more. So, what is the twist? Creativity. Instead of selling generic products, you work with a supplier to design your own custom products, and then when someone places an order through your store, they will print your unique design on their blank product and then ship the final product to the customer. This means you can create original, niche products and build your own brand, giving you a way to manufacture and ship your own products without having to deal with that side of things yourself. You can leave that to the professionals, which will give you more time to market yourself, build your brand, attract customers, and create new designs. Number 8. For the old-fashioned. So, what if you don't want to do any of these things, or you simply can't be bothered? For the old-fashioned, time-poor, or extremely lazy, we have a few other options covered provided you have some assets. Listing your entire home or even just a room online through Airbnb is a simple way to raise passive income on an asset you already own. Airbnb is an online rental website where instead of booking a hotel, people request a lodging at someone else's home or property. You can list it to be available whenever you want and as often as you want, for instance, when you're out of town or away on holidays. The big upside is that Airbnb will guarantee up to $1 million liability in the case that any property damage is caused by rowdy guests. Similarly, there are other sharing apps like Car Next Door where, you guessed it, you can rent your car out to share with other users for a fee. This is perfect for times of the day or night when you're not driving or are away on holidays. Car Next Door screens all drivers and covers your car with their own comprehensive insurance in case of an accident, while you have full control on when you want to rent your car out, an asset we often take for granted. That's all we have time for today. Have you explored any of these streams of passive income? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please let me know by clicking on that subscribe and bell notification button because more magnificent content is on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.